Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julie Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys,
Wow!
so for today's content, another video, another try on guys. I have bought new teas again during Ati-Atihan 2026 again here in Calibo, and let me show you. This is the first one, snake tank top, basic. A yellow white stripe crop top, because I don't have any yellow or not a lot of yellow color, and this gray aloe t-shirt. See ako. Alright guys, so let's try it on in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Liabi. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Liabi.
Alright, now let's try this Alright guys, so the tank top looks like this. Alright, hindi siya bagay sa aking leggings. But just look at the top. Diba? So this is the front, side, back, side, and front again. So what do you think, guys? Next one, let's try this yellow crop top. Alright, so this yellow crop top, ayan, for a casual outfit, everyday outfit, like punta sa school, grocery, or going out. Just casual na lakad. Diba? Although I can pull up my hands super high, hanggang dito lang, kasi if not, may makikita. Alright, so it looks like this in the front, side, back, side, and front again. Actually, kala ko pangit siya, pero okay naman pala sa akin. What do you think, guys? Ayan, closer. Diba? So, yun. Alright, and lastly, guys, we have this gray tee, crop top tee, aloe. Let's go! And guys, this is the crop top, aloe, uh, aloe crop top, guys, in gray. I love it, how it looks on me. Not too small, not too big, just the right size. Alright, so it looks like this in the front, side, back. Ayan, back. Ayusin natin. Side again. And front again. So what do you think, guys? Alright. So yun lang naman guys. That was all for today's video. New tops that I bought during Ati-Atihan. And if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.